Well, I hope you can hear this, but this is the drawings for what I call the Wakefield engine. Step 1 starts as a teardrop. Step 2, it elongates a spike. That spike in step 3 forms an inverted plate. That inverted plate on step 4 is pulled backwards, propelling the craft forward. Step 5, it's pushing. The circles represent molecules of air trapped behind that plate. They're trapped here again before being compressed. And step 6. And then as it's collapsing, it's forming another plate to pull back. And this is a nano engine. Zero fuel needed. It runs on the ambient energy of the universe. Theoretically, it has faster than light capacity.